At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. An emergency contact is someone you can trust and rely on in crisis, especially when immediate medical assistance is needed. Having this information on hand can be life-saving. For example, in 2019 alone, injuries led to 4.4 million deaths worldwide, making up 8% of all deaths. Better emergency care would greatly reduce these numbers, particularly in low and middle income countries. Your emergency contact should be someone who knows basic information about you, including your medical conditions and preferences. This could be a family member, friend, neighbor, or even a co-worker. What matters most is their ability to respond quickly and effectively in an emergency. An emergency contact form is a crucial document that keeps all your emergency contact information in one place, making it easy to access when it matters most. Typically, this form includes an emergency contact details section. This section lists your emergency contact's full name, primary and secondary phone number, and email address, providing multiple ways to reach them. Relationship. Specify how the contact is related to you. This helps responders understand their role and potential involvement in decision making. Preferred contact method. Indicate whether your contact prefers to be reached by phone, text, or email to ensure the fastest communication. Type of emergencies. Outline the types of emergencies for which your contact should be notified, such as medical issues, fires, natural disasters, and personal crisis. Addresses. Include both the home and work addresses of your contact in case they need to be located in person. In short, an emergency contact form is a vital reference for responders, helping them quickly reach out to the right people when every second counts. Being prepared for emergencies is crucial, and having a well-organized emergency contact form can make all the difference. Here's how to use our printable template. Firstly, download the form. Start by downloading the emergency contact form from our website, which you can find linked in the description below. Fill out the form. Provide accurate and up-to-date information for each contact. This includes their name, relationship to you, phone numbers, email addresses, and addresses. Share the form. Make sure your emergency contacts know their role and give them a copy of the completed form for their reference. Store for future use. Keep the form in a safe, accessible location where it can be easily found during an emergency. An emergency contact form is useful in many situations, including medical emergencies, workplace emergencies, travel emergencies, caring for children or aging relatives, natural disasters or large-scale emergencies, and personal crisis. Here's a sample of our emergency contact form to give you an idea of how it can be used in your practice. To explore more of our free templates, visit our template library on the Carepatron website linked in the description below. Carepatron is a practice management software known for its comprehensive features, and signing up is free. Just click on the sign up link in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our Carepatron channel for more content like this.